Ladies and gents, now that Milwaukee, Wisconsin has your attention, shout out my brother Steve DeStoner with the uptown, downtown, you know what I'm saying? Let me put y'all on to the fishing pole. The thing that y'all doing and y'all trying to figure out, let me show y'all how to do it real quick. It is called the fishing pole. You see you got the rod and you be reeling it up, but instead of just doing it with your hands, do it with your legs too. So you whirl that thing, right? And then you jump. Well, I caught y'all guard, didn't it? Caught y'all guard, didn't it? Look, you spin that thing. You know what I mean? You got the rod, you get the hood in that thing, and then your legs should be doing the same motion, right? And so you catch that fish and bring it back. You catch that fish and you bring it back. You catch that fish and you bring it back. So when y'all do the uptown, downtown, you know what I'm saying? You can get wild with it. You can come together with it. Just do your thing and put your own flavor into it. Let's do it. Uptown, downtown, smack then, bring it back then, bring it back then, Instructions clear or what? That, my friend, is called the fishing pole from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Oh, I love to see y'all doing it, but I need y'all to get it right. Do the best you can, but do... Whoa, my breath. Woo. Here we go, one more time for y'all. You're gonna get that rod, right? You're gonna get that rod and roll it up, whatever the term is. Make sure your leg is doing that same thing. And then you're gonna catch that fish and bring it back. Catch that fish and bring it back. And then you put your spin on it. Put the spin. Yeah, get the put your spin on it. And then you put your spin on it. Oh, no hands. Oh, no hands. Oh. Let me know if the instructions clear. I'm not ready. I'm gonna go get some to eat.